Hello, my name is Pambos and I'm going to explain you today what the QMail is and how the QMail can help you target your emails to specific contacts like customers or suppliers that are inside your QuickBooks company database. We can open QMail. Before we open QMail, QuickBooks should be open at the same time. Okay, here we are. First of all, let's talk about the two tabs we have here. We have list and transactions. Now, we can select from the list. Let's have a small scenario here. I want to get the emails from all my active clients that have specific criteria. I can select the customers, double click on this. I will get all the details coming from the customer table listed inside my QuickBooks. I can select, let's say, I need the column name, I need the column is active, and I want only the active customers, so this column should be true, where is true. I need, of course, emails, the column email, and again I need clients with a valid email address, so I can select this specific character. Anything that starts with anything that contains the character @ this is the to valid if the email is a normal email address, ending by anything. So I put some criteria here. I say run query. I've got my results, 211 clients. I can go to the result preferences and I can do some data manipulation here. For instance, I select the column email and say to the QMail, remove duplicates from selected column. If I click OK, a procedure will run to remove any duplicated email addresses found in my results. Now, 194 left. Now, what I want to do with those results, I can email results to CC or BCC or export them to Excel. Let's see a small BCC email results. Yes, I have to first select one by one or click select all, come to the email results to the BCC, and I've got, here it is, my Outlook, all the addresses listed in the BCC field, and I can type the subject, type the email and click send, ready to go. Now, as you can see, I can filter. Here are all the fields available in the customer table inside QuickBooks that I can filter and get the results. Now, what can I do with that? I can go and save the query. I can give it a name, so I can always refer to this query instead of need to rewrite it from scratch. At any time, I can go open existing query and click the query I just saved, load query. I get the query ready to be sent. Now I can do the same for vendors, employees and other names. Now let's go to transactions. Here I can search for from the table customer. I can again enter some criteria here. For instance, I need the column name, maybe for customers that are active. Of course, I need the email address. Again, I might need the email address that is valid, so I can put these small characters here. And then, since I enter my criteria for the customers, I can check customers that bought a specific item. I can do that using the invoice line. So what I get is a list of fields coming from the invoice line table directly from QuickBooks, and I can edit enter some parameters here where the item full name is, for example, QuickBooks Pro. I can run my query. I can enter as many criteria as I want. QBuild now will query my QuickBooks. I get again results. 53 clients bought this item. I can go to the preferences, and again, I don't want the customers with duplicate email addresses. I can click on that. Okay. Found 6 duplicates found, they have been removed, so totally 47. I can select all my results and go to the BCC. Okay, here I am, ready to send an invoice. I'm ready to send an email to all my clients matching specific criteria that have purchased specific items from my company. So as you can see, QMail, it's an easy way to search for customers, suppliers, employees, other names using specific criteria, or search for the invoice table, the bill table inside QuickBooks, find the customers, the contacts you need, and send an email as easy as that. Thank you.